Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to fix the connection timeout error in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Let's dive in. First up, let's start with adjusting the lobby time limit. This is one of the best ways to fix the timeout issue. Here's how. Head to the room settings and then click on the left arrow next to the time limit. Reduce it from 600 seconds down to 360 or even 180. Once done, confirm the change. Now try launching the game and see if the connection error is gone. If that doesn't work, try disabling any unlocked FPS limit. Sometimes the FPS unlock can be the culprit behind the timeout error. Here's how to remove it. Press the Windows plus R keys together and type %local app data %. Hit enter to open the folder. Next, go into the Sparking Z folder, then into the config folder and open the engine.ini file. Delete any lines related to the frame limiter. Save the file and try launching the game again to see if it works. Another solution is to delete the config folder completely. Deleting the engine file or the whole config folder can often resolve the timeout issue. If you're unsure how to do this, follow these steps. Open the local app data folder, find the Sparking Zero folder again, and open the save folder. Inside, delete the config folder. If the issue still persists, you can switch to Google DNS, which is known for being stable and fast. This can help with the network connection and may resolve the timeout problem. To change your DNS settings, open the control panel using the Windows search bar, then go to the network settings. Click on your Wi-Fi network and a window will pop up. Click on Properties, then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Check the second box and input the following DNS addresses. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Make sure to save your changes and that's it. You should now have a stable connection. That's all for today's video. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.